tubes. I got a call for this little wine box not cooling. It's been in my videos before where I did some leak detector tests, and I'm gonna need to pump it down and fix the leak at the evaporator coil. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. Pretty sure this one's 134A. Let's see here. Oh, it's a 404 specialer. Yeah, this one's 404. Okay, cool. Let me get the drill out. I'm gonna take some covers and some panels off. So I want to pump this down so I can fix the leak on the low side. All right, so I got the cover off. I remember this is the unit that has no disconnects. You guys have seen this in my videos before. So I just go ahead and pull half of the coil off the contactor to get it to stop. I want it to stop with pressure in it because I know there's a leak on a return bend down there. So I need some pressure in there because I just want to confirm where I'm going to try and flow some solder. Once I can confirm where that leak's at, then we'll go ahead and we'll close off the high side valve here and we'll pump this unit down. We'll get all the refrigerant back up here so we can make the repair downstairs. That's my plan anyways. We'll see how it works out. Okay, I went ahead and gauged up on this thing while we're up here before we go downstairs. So we do got a nice static charge on there. You can see. So the low side's almost at 100 psi. So let's jump down there and see what we got. Well, we can take the electronic and the soap bubbles. I'll give this guy a try. You'll see the one elbow they've already welded on. There's a bunch of turd on that one already, but if I remember right, I think the leak's on the back side here. Yeah, it is. It's on the back side there. Yep. Let me bend the probe around like this. I'm gonna get it like this so it'll fit in there better. Okay, are we all on the same page here? All right, here we go. All right, let's get this. I brought the soap bubbles. Let's pinpoint this thing and see if we can get some bird turtle on it. That's the Infocon D-Tech 3. Been working good lately. Let's get a bunch of soap on here and see what happens. I think I can see it bubbling. Oh yeah. There it is. So it looks like if I flow, I want to see if there's any coming off the bottom or if it's just off the top. It's just that top spot. All right, now we can go pump it down. Get her pumped down, we'll try and fix that. All right, I soap bubbled all these. None of the other return bends are leaking because I knew you guys were gonna ask me. So it's just the one. That one little shit bag right there. There it is.
You say?
Yeah, right there.
You say?
Let's go ahead and close off our liquid line valve here, service valve. And we'll get this dude pumped down so we can make our repair. let us see where our low pressure switch is set at too. 5, not bad. Not too shabby. All right, I got it welded up. Let's see how we do. See if I made more leaks. Looks like we got it. I put some turd on top of turd. Like turd on turd. That's where that little bugger was spraying. It's right up there. Yeah, looks like we got her. None of the other ones are leaking, so that's a trip. But you know, it's a temporary little patch, and see where that gets us.